In an era where electric vehicles have taken the automotive industry by storm, Toyota emerged as a disruptor with a groundbreaking innovation, the Toyota hydrogen engine. With the potential to challenge the supremacy of electric cars, this cutting-edge technology offers a remarkable fusion of power and sustainability. Join us as we delve into the world of hydrogen-powered engines, explore Toyota's partnership with Yamaha Motor, and unveil the potential revolution in transportation that could reshape the way we think about eco-friendly driving. In the last few years, electric cars, EVs, have been the talk of the auto business. They are seen as the future of transportation because they are good for the environment. The Toyota hydrogen engine, on the other hand, is a new technology that could give EV a run for their money. This cutting-edge technology might be able to replace gasoline engines without losing power or economy. In this piece, we'll talk about Toyota's new hydrogen engines and how they might change the electric vehicle (EV) market. While electric engines have become the buzzword in the automotive sector, heavy machinery poses unique challenges. Electric engines often fall short in terms of providing the raw power required for heavy-duty tasks, such as those performed by bulldozers, excavators, and dump trucks. These machines demand immense power and torque, a domain where diesel engines have historically excelled. To address this challenge and align with environmental goals, Toyota embarked on a mission to find a sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline engines. In 2022, Toyota announced a partnership with Yamaha Motor to develop a hydrogen-fueled engine that matches the power output of gasoline engines, while emitting zero emissions. Yamaha's expertise in internal combustion engines brings valuable knowledge to this endeavor. The engine being developed by Yamaha and Toyota is a 5-liter V8 engine based on the one used in the Lexus RTF Coupe. Modifications, including changes to cylinder heads and injectors, have been made to adapt it for use in automobiles. Yamaha's hard work over 5 years has resulted in an impressive 450 horsepower at 6,800 revolutions per minute, comparable to traditional gasoline engine. Yamaha's commitment to hydrogen engines is driven by its goal of achieving carbon neutrality by 2050, while preserving its dedication to the internal combustion engine. This indicates Yamaha's intent to create a more sustainable future for the automotive industry, rather than simply replacing existing engines. Using hydrogen to power internal combustion engines is not a new concept, with automakers like Toyota and BMW already experimenting with this technology. Toyota's Gear Yaris and the hydrogen-powered Corolla Sport are examples of this experimentation. BMW also produced the BMW Hydrogen 7 in 2006, an internal combustion engine vehicle capable of running on gasoline or liquid hydrogen. As a specialist in heavy machinery, JCB encountered comparable obstacles when looking for environmentally acceptable alternatives to diesel engines. They investigated the use of battery power, but concluded that the available choices were overly complicated and expensive. They conducted research and development on a fuel cell-powered excavator in collaboration with Nissan, but in the end, they chose to concentrate on developing hydrogen-powered engines instead. The experts at JCB devised a brand new hydrogen engine that was able to equal the power output of diesel engines. This resulted in an alternative for heavy machinery that did not produce any emissions. Additionally, Toyota has made headway in the field of hydrogen-powered vehicles by conducting fuel cell semi-truck trials in the state of California. Because of the accomplishments of these Kenworth tractors that have been upgraded, the California Air Resources Board, CARB, has granted permission to begin selling a fuel cell kit. These tractors are used for hauling commodities. Because everyone can construct their very own hydrogen-powered rig, using this kit, a new era of environmentally friendly transportation has been ushered in. Chris Rovick, who is the Executive Program Manager of Advanced Mobility for Toyota, is of the opinion that hydrogen engines will be an essential component in the effort to curb emissions produced by the heavy-duty transportation sector. Companies like JCB and Toyota are leading the way in the development of cutting-edge technology for hydrogen engines. Their goal is to create an engine that can meet the demands placed on it in terms of power, range, and the amount of time needed to refuel. Experts maintain a positive outlook despite the obstacles that lie ahead for hydrogen-powered vehicles, such as the lack of an established infrastructure for hydrogen fuel. A network of hydrogen recharging stations could one day compete with standard gas stations if continued investment and innovation are made. This would further consolidate hydrogen engines as a viable and environmentally friendly transportation choice. In conclusion, Toyota's hydrogen engine represents a promising alternative to both traditional gasoline and electric engines, especially in the realm of heavy machinery and transportation. As hydrogen engines gain traction and investment grows, they have the potential to revolutionize eco-friendly transport and shape a more sustainable future for the automotive industry.